Metaverses are a landscape of connected digital worlds that often use the latest blockchain technologies to give people and content a new way to interact with each other. They are very different in what they do and how they work, but most of them have a digital token that powers their internal economy and features. Investors have made a lot of money with the best metaverse crypto coins in the past, and the next generation of metaverses is currently being made. Today in this video, we will talk about the 10 best metaverse crypto coins to buy in 2022. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. 1. Fight Infinity, IBAT. Battle Infinity blew up the market in July after its pre-sale raised an impressive 16,500 BNB, or about $5 million, in only 25 days. Since then, the IBAT token's value has more than doubled compared to its pre-sale price, giving people who bought it good returns. Considering how well it has done so far, this makes it one of the best metaverse coins to buy. Battle Infinity will become a large metaverse of NFT-enabled products with features like the Battle Swap decentralized exchange, the PvP Battle Arena, and a collection of both in-house and third-party games. 2. Ethereum ETH. Since its release in 2015, Ethereum has become the most popular platform for smart contracts. Ethereum is known as a pioneer in the blockchain space. More than 3,000 decentralized applications are now running on the platform, and over $35 billion is locked up in decentralized finance products based on Ethereum. It's also the platform that metaverse builders use most often. In fact, many of the top 10 metaverse coins by market capitalization, like Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Axie Infinity, are hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. 3. Build and Build, BNB. The BNB chain ecosystem is a good place to start if you want to know how or where to buy metaverse coins. Developers of crypto projects in the metaverse often choose the smart contract platform because it has low fees, quick transactions, and a large number of users. It is home to some of the most interesting new metaverse projects, like Doge and Battle Infinity. The platform is going to use a new technology called zkBNB, which is expected to improve the chain's ability to scale and its efficiency in a big way. It will also make it much easier for developers to add atomic swaps, which is a key feature for interoperable metaverse dApps. Many people think that BNB is one of the best cryptocurrencies, period. This is because it has so many uses. The BNB chain ecosystem is growing quickly, and Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, supports it. 4. Chainlink LINK. Chainlink is a strong, decentralized Oracle network that lets blockchain-based apps get data from outside sources that can't be changed. Chainlink's oracles provide blockchain dApps with data from the real world, such as from IoT devices, stock exchanges, and a huge number of APIs. This lets blockchain dApps use information from the real world to power a huge number of use cases. This might not seem important at first, but Chainlink's oracles provide data to a huge number of popular DeFi applications, such as Aave, Synthetics, Compound, Nexus Mutual, DDX, and dozens more. Chainlink is seen by many as a key part of making blockchains work together and connect with technologies that don't use DLT. Because of this, it's not hard to imagine a future where most of the top metaverse crypto coins use its oracles and other technologies to provide their services. This could create a lot of demand for the Chainlink token. 5. Cosmos, ATOM. In the past few months, the Cosmos ecosystem has grown a lot, and it is now widely thought that it will host the next generation of groundbreaking blockchain apps, like the Metaverse and DeFi platforms. Cosmos is an interoperability network that lets applications on different blockchains talk to each other. It's kind of like an information superhighway for the blockchain world. Cosmos is likely to help power at least some interoperable metaverses of the next generation. This makes it a top future cryptocurrency, and existing metaverses may use its technology to expand their reach. Several projects are already trying to set up a metaverse in the Cosmos ecosystem. One of these is Passage, which is a digital world and NFT marketplace. Also, blockchains like Terra, Oasis Network, Secret Network, and Agoric that were built with the Cosmos SDK can now host metaverses. 6. Decentraland, MANA. In February 2020, Decentraland, one of the first blockchain-based metaverses, came out with a bang. Since then, it has grown into its own phenomenon, becoming one of the most popular metaverses and the site of some of the biggest metaverse-based events, like Metaverse Fashion Week and Metaverse Music Festival, which are both very popular. By the end of 2021, The platform had an impressive 300,000 monthly active users and tens of thousands of landowners, many of whom turned their land into interesting products, environments, and works of art. Mana, the platform's native cryptocurrency, will go down in history as one of the most profitable assets in the metaverse. 7. Apecoin, APE. Apecoin is the currency of the universe of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. No list of crypto coins from the metaverse would be complete without it. Yuga Labs, the company behind Bored Ape Yacht Club and a few other NFT collections, announced in March 2022 that it would be making its own NFT project called Otherside. Given Yuga Labs' size and reputation for making good NFT-based products, people have very high hopes for how big and ambitious the Otherside metaverse will be. The Otherside is one of the few blockchain-based metaverses that focuses on interoperability. It combines elements of massively multiplayer games and Web3 accessibility to make a busy and immersive digital world. The Apecoin, APE, token is the native unit of exchange in the Otherside metaverse, and users will use it to pay each other. Most likely, you will also need to buy or rent land in Otherside. Apecoin is a strong contender for the most promising metaverse cryptocurrency because Otherside has a lot of potential. 8. Engine, ENJ. Engine is a popular platform that lets developers and creators deploy powerful NFT projects and collections. Non-fungible tokens are one of the most promising ways to use blockchain technology. They could improve the metaverse and give users and brands access to new opportunities. NFTs are now supported by almost all blockchain-based metaverses. This includes digital land in places like Decentraland and the Sandbox, collectible animals in Tomadoge and Axie Infinity, and works of art in the CryptoVoxels metaverse. As NFTs become a bigger part of the metaverse, crypto coins and projects that work in the metaverse will need an easy-to-use platform to build and use their NFT collections. Engine has a good chance of becoming the platform of choice for these projects because it is the blockchain for NFTs. This could make more people want to buy ENJ tokens, which can be used to make NFTs on Engine. 9. Polygon, Matic. Metaverses need to be easy to get to if they are going to become more popular. Right now, transaction fees are one of the main things that keep people out. Many blockchains are just too expensive to use. Polygon wants to change this by giving Ethereum dApps and tokens access to a fast and cheap Layer 2 blockchain. The platform works well for metaverse applications because it can run DeFi applications, NFTs, and interoperability protocols. It's also very popular with developers, who have already made over 19,000 dApps that run on the platform. Several metaverse crypto coins projects, such as Neon District, Vulcan Forged, and Caraverse, already use Polygon's technology to reach more people. In the same way, the metaverse powerhouse The Sandbox has just started using the energy-efficient chain. As the main gas token and medium of exchange on Polygon, the Matic token has a lot of potential. As more people learn how to use Polygon-based metaverses, demand could skyrocket in the coming months and years. 10. My Neighbor Alice, Alice. My Neighbor Alice is a multiplayer builder game based on the blockchain that lets players buy, own, and make money from their own virtual land. It plays like Animal Crossing, but it also has an NFT lending system, DeFi features, and a complex economy in the game that revolves around the Alice token. My Neighbor Alice was one of the most well-known play-to-earn and metaverse projects. It launched with a bang in March 2021 and will go down in history as one of the most profitable ETHs of all time. At its peak, participants in the public sale made a huge 26,000% profit. My Neighbor Alice is a play-to-earn game and a micro-metaverse. Players can earn tokens in a number of ways, and the game is also free to play, which makes it very easy to get into. Since its launch, the Alice token has dropped from a high of over $26 to less than $2, but there is still a lot of excitement about the project. Alice is also a key cryptocurrency to keep an eye on in the coming months because it will likely be one of the first Metaverse's games to be sold on Steam when it opens later this year. So, these are the 10 best Metaverse crypto coins to buy in 2022. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more top 10 informative videos. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.